Hi everyone, it's Donna here, and I just finished, I'm calling this a journal kit. The journal is not decorated, well, it's minimally decorated, and then I have two packets that come along with it. Um, if you are interested in purchasing this, and if it's still for sale when you view this video, the purchase information will be down below in the instructions on how to order it. So let me show you. The cover is, oh, first of all, it measures 5¼ inches by 7¾ inches, and it has 68 pages, front and back. The cover is made from a piece that came in a bundle of linens that I purchased, and I thought it was the perfect size for a journal cover, and I just kind of patchworked some vintage linens and some doilies and things onto it. There's a little bit of slow stitching, to hold this little doily on, and then a button down here. And it's just held together with some cotton fabric. Now it has it's filled with all kinds of things that you can decorate yourself, and then the two packets that come with it are the things you can use to decorate. In this front pocket is a Tundex card and a blank shipping tag. I'm just going to flip through it really quickly. I just sewed a piece of linen onto this page to make a pocket. Shorthand, some coffee dyed papers. I sewed some lace down here, and in the pocket is a alterations tag, a little airmail envelope, a CD envelope, and then a little tiny envelope that you can decorate yourself. I just stitched this on. This is a pocket. There's nothing in it right now. And I stitched this fabric on, and in the pocket is a flash card, a vintage flash card, a guest check, and a Yahtzee scorecard. And those just barely fit in there. Just a little tiny book page. I thought these are interesting. They were separators in an old album that I have. And it's kind of like a tissue paper, kind of, sort of, but not exactly. Botanical book. This flips out. Inside the center of the signature, it's only one signature. There's an envelope that I made. It's held together with some Velcro, and in it are all kinds of things. All kinds of things that you can use to decorate the journal. Some futzy cuts, some labels, some cigarette cards, some images. That's a playing card, an envelope with postage stamps. There's all kinds of things that you can use to decorate. Some of the whale tail tabs. So that would be fun to play with. And then the back side of all of those pages. This little one, if you want to just glue it down at the bottom, you have a tuck spot there. Same thing with the front side of it. In this pocket, there's a layaway tag, a library catalog card, a coin envelope, and then two different sizes of Rolodex cards. And in the back is another shipping tag, and these are all the offcuts from the papers that are in the journal. You can use those for collage or make little tiny tearaway booklets. So that's the journal. And along with it is I'm not going to take this apart, but this has all kinds of laces from my collection, some appliques, some stamped images, some doilies, some buttons and charms, some fabric, some laces. There's a couple of yo-yos. There's some paper clips, curled paper clips, and the little Tim Holtz paper clips. And some bulb pins are in there too. All kinds of things that you can use to decorate with. And there's actually some of my antique laces are in here as well. And then some of my favorite papers to collage with. There's several of the Tim Holtz tissue papers. There's a page from the 1700s book that I have. Just this is a vintage street guide to Chicago. There's a French and English dictionary and a German English dictionary page. And this is, I don't know, maybe Russian or something like that. This one has Japanese, map page, music, a scan of one of my linens, and a page from an 1800s journal. That's an original page. So those are all my favorite things to collage with on tags and pages. And that's not going to go in very well. So, if you are interested in this, purchasing this kit, it may already be sold because I have a wait list of people that want my journals. If you are interested in any of my journals and you want to get added to that wait list, what I'm going to be doing is, as I record a journal, I will offer it first. I'll go down the list and offer it to the people on the list first. And if nobody wants it, then I'll publish the video and it will be for sale. So that's all I have for today. Stay tuned this weekend for journal and craft supplies. I'm going to be offering all kinds of things to craft with. I am going to be selling some vintage postcards and also some of those Victorian trade cards from that album that I took apart. So those will be coming up this weekend. Saturday, this video this weekend will be Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And thanks for watching, and you have a great evening. Bye for now.